Hi Kutis, good morning. Have a nice day. Today we are going to learn book exercise from chapter 2 and chapter 3. Are you ready children? Chapter 2. The Magical Book. First Roman letter, whether the following statements are true or false. First we have to find that. First one, Haris had no bad habits. Isn't it dears? Do you know? Haris had bad habits, no? Yes. His bad habit is he is not maintaining a book properly. Isn't it, dears? Okay, so first one answer is false. Second one, Haris' friend's name was Amar. Isn't it, dears? No. Why? Hari's friend's name was Amit. Isn't it, dears? So, this statement is false. Very good, dears. Third one, Miss Jaya taught mathematics. This statement is whether true or false? False. Why? Mrs. Jaya was English teacher. Isn't it, dears? Very good. Fourth one, Hari's mother and Miss Jaya together planned that they would hide his books. Isn't it, dears? Yes, both are planned to teach lesson to him. Okay, children? So, the answer is true. Fifth one, Miss Jaya did not actually have any dream of books complaining. Isn't it, dears? Yes, for the planning only, the teacher told like that. Isn't it, dears? Okay, so fifth one, answer is true. The next one, given below are some words from the lesson, match them with their meanings. Then in the third column, write their opposites choosing from the box. Here some words are given in the lesson. We have to find out the meaning for these words first. Then we have to choose the correct opposite from the given box. Are you ready, children? First one, end. We have to find the meanings for this end. Is the correct answer finish? Isn't it, dears? Now we have to choose the opposite. Finish means opposite begin. Yes, dears, correct. Second one, hurriedly. We have to find the meaning. Quickly, yes. Now we have to choose the opposite slowly. Quickly opposite slowly. Third one, badly. We have to find meaning. The meaning is not in a good way. So opposite of this, we have to choose from the box. Which one? Well. Okay. Fourth one, cruel. Meaning of the cruel is not showing mercy. So opposite we have to choose from the box. Which one? Kind. Very good. Fifth one, remember. Remember, first we have to know the meaning. What is the meaning? Keep in mind. So opposite we have to choose from the box. Forget. Isn't it, dears? Very good. Sixth one, put on. First we have to find meaning. Wear. So opposite we have to choose from the box. Take off. Correct, dears? Seventh one, dirty. Seventh one, dirty. We have to find the meaning. The meaning is untidy. Isn't it, dears? So we have to choose the opposite. Clean. Very good, dears. Next, we are going to discuss the answer the following. First one, what was Haris doing when his mother asked him to get ready? Do you know, children, what he is doing? Yes, he was watching TV. When his mother asked him to get ready, that time he was watching TV. Yes, children, very good. Second question, in which class was Haris the previous year? Which class would he enter when the school reopened? Do you know, children? Haris was in class second, isn't it? The previous year he was studied in second year. He would be in third. When the school reopened, he would be in third standard. Isn't it, dears? Yes. One more time. What was Haris doing when his mother asked him to get ready? Haris was watching TV when his mother asked him to get ready. Second one, in which class was Haris the previous year? Which class would he enter when the school reopened? Haris was in the class 2 the previous year. He would be in class 3 when the school reopened. Third question, where did Haris first see the books for the new academic year? Haris first saw the books for the new academic year with his friend Amit. Isn't it, dears? Yes, Harish saw the books for the new academic year with his friend only. The friend was Amit. Isn't it, dears? Yes. Fourth one, when the other people started to write, Harish was sitting with tears in his eyes. Why? Harish was crying when other people start to write because he had lost his notebook. Isn't it, dears? Yes, their mother and the teacher planned to teach him lesson no, so they hide his book. He thought he missed a book, isn't it, dears? So only he was crying on that time. Third question, where did the Haris first see the books for the new academic year? Haris first saw the books for the new academic year with his friend Amit. When other people started to write, Haris was sitting with tears in his eyes. Why? Haris was crying when other people to start to write because he had lost his notebook. Second one, detail. What was the dream Miss Jaya had? Miss Jaya's dream was that many books were shouting and complaining about the cruel little children who hurt them. The books had decided to hide themselves from these children. Isn't it, dears? Hari's mother and his English teacher were planned to teach lesson to him. So the teacher said to Haris, yesterday I had a dream. The dream were many books shouting and complaining about you like cruel little children who hurt them. The books are decided to hide themselves from the children. So you have to change your habit. Haris, how would you like it if someone pulled your nose, hands, ears, or legs? Wouldn't hurt? Yes, your books also feel the same. So you have to change your habit like this only, Jaya said to Hari. Isn't it, children? What was the dream Miss Jaya had? Answer, Miss Jaya's dreams was that many books were shouting and complaining about the cruel little children who hurt them. The books had decided to hide themselves from these children. Chapter 3, Hopping Frog. First one, tick the statements that are true, cross the false ones. Okay, dears? First one, the girl tries to catch the frog. Isn't it, dears? The girls tried? No. The girl said to frog, I won't disturb you. Like that. Yes, dears? So, the statement is false. Okay, dears. Second one, the girl decides not to disturb the frog and says goodbye to it. Isn't it, dears? Yes. The girl won't disturb that frog. So the statement is true. The frog decides not disturb to the girl and says goodbye to her. This statement is false. Why, dear? Because the frog didn't tell anything to that girl. The girl only says goodbye to that frog. So the statement is false. Fourth one, the frog is the finger of crown. Isn't it, dears? People only think like that. So the statement is false. Fifth one, the toad is lumpy, therefore it is dangerous. It is not dangerous, so the statement also false. Next one, match. Frogs and toads are similar animals. Match the animals listed in column A with their relatives in column B. We have to find which one is relative to this option A. We have to match option A to option B. Alligator. It is related to which animal we have to find? Alligator, crocodile. Isn't it, dears? Correct. Next one, ape. Ape is related to monkey. Isn't it, dears? Hare. Hare is related to rabbit. Very good. Ass. As it was matched to donkey. Mouse, rat. Very good, children. Next, bison is matched to buffalo. Tortoise is going to match turtle. Octopus is matched to squid. Butterfly is matched to moth. Very good, children. Next one, list the following words in the correct vowel group. Here, some answers are given in the box. We have to find which one is related to this vowel. First one, boat, boat. Yes, the sound, it will match to second box. Second one, lock, lock. It will match to first vowel. So, we have to write in the first box. Third one, wrote, wrote. It will match to second box. Fourth one, want, want. It will match to first box. Won't, won't. It will match to second vowel. Phone, phone. Yes, it is also matched to second vowel. On, on. It is matched to first vowel. Cost, cost. It will match to first vowel. Rob. It also matched to first vowel. Soap. Yes, yes dears. It is matched to second vowels. Very good dears. Next, find a rhyming word from the poem to match each word. Scene. Scene. We have to write green. Yes. Alone. Alone. Stone. Stone. Yes, it is the correct answer. Two. Two. You. You. It is the correct rhyming word. Very good, dears. Next, answer the following. Chapter 3, Hopping Frog. First one, is the frog really wearing a cap and a coat? Yes, dears. In this poem, that frog wearing anything? No, no. So, it is the imagination of the poet, isn't it, dears? So, the answer, no, the frog is not wearing a cap and a coat. Second question, why do people scorn the thought? People scorn the thought because it is worthless. Yes, dears? Yes, the people think it is worthless. So, they will scorn. Isn't it, dears? Yes. So, the answer is people scorn the thought because it is worthless. One more time. Is the frog really wearing a cap and a coat? No, the frog is not wearing a cap and a coat. Why do people scorn the thought? People scorn the thought because it is worthless. Isn't it, dears? Very good, children. Thank you, dears.